Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be doing a retwist and style on my loyal client. He's been with me for about a year now. He follows me everywhere I go, okay? I've probably changed suites about 3 times now, and he is here to stay. So this one I'll be staying for another year. I already renewed my lease, so don't worry about that. But yeah, right here I'm using Tingling Shampoo by Jamaican and Lime, one of my favorite tingling shampoos that I like to use. And I also like to use Design Essentials, which is peppermint and aloe, I believe. Those are my 2 favorite ones I like to use. With this tool right here will save your life when it comes to scrubbing that scalp. Instead of using your fingers, which I feel like is not sanitary, use this. It will save your life. I feel like all hairdressers should get one of these. Basically, it helps your dandruff off your client's head raise up easier, any dirt, anything, any gunk or gel. It helps to relieve it off that scalp and out of that hair. I do a lot of athletes. I do a lot of people who do sports, and he's one of them. He's very athletic, and he sweats a lot. So I definitely need to use it on his head as well. You know what I'm saying? And this is my honey cream. I love honey cream. That's why I have a gallon of it, because it's amazing. It's moisturizing. It's nice. And if you guys could see, I'm also using a steamer. So while I shampoo now, I like to use a steamer. It actually helps get the dirt off the scalp, the hair, everything. It just helps loosen up everything so nicely. And I like to squeeze all that shampoo into all the locks. I don't just shampoo the scalp. I shampoo everything from head to toe, literally. So yeah, that's what I'm using right here, and it's amazing. And throughout the video I won't be talking. You guys will just watch and see what I'm doing. If you guys want to learn how to retwist or style, this video is for you. As you guys can see, this hair is clean, nice and clean and black and just luscious and just ready to go.
your girl, she tryna Lamborghini Mercy. Yo chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna